I am sure you all must have played games on your mobile phone, computer, or on gaming consoles. Have you wondered how these games are developed? And have you ever dreamed of building a game on your own but didn't know where to start? You are at right place. So, in today's video, I'm going to guide you how you turn your gaming development ideas into reality, step by step. Imagine creating a fun and interactive game without having to be a coding expert. Sounds amazing, right? Well, with ChatGPT, you can do just that. I'll walk you through setting up your development environment, generating game code, and customizing it to make it your own. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a playable game that you built from scratch, and you'll see just how easy and fun game development can be with a little help from AI. So, let's dive in and get started on your game development journey. We are going to code this game in Python. For those who are not familiar with this language, Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language, and it is used for development of websites, softwares, games, task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. In order to start, first you need to set up development environment on your computer. To do that, follow these steps. Number 1. Installation of Python. To install Python, go to the official website and download latest version. During installation, make sure to check the box to add Python to your path. Step number 2. Installation of pygame module. Open terminal or command prompt by searching in Windows search box and run the following command in command prompt: pip install pygame. This will install pygames on your machine. Pygame is Python module which is used to write game programs. Step number 3. Creating a Python file. To create a Python file, you can install an IDE in your machine such as Visual Studio Code, or you can use any online IDE. I will put all the command lines and download links in the description from where you can download Python, IDE, and use online IDE. With these installations finished, your machine is now ready to do the fun part, designing the actual game. Go to your web browser and go to ChatGPT website. There, ask ChatGPT to write a basic game structure such as breakout game. You can specify your special instructions if you have, such as tile colors, color of ball, game restart logic, etc. Here is the example prompt that I am giving to ChatGPT. Generate me a breakout game that I can play on my computer. Tiles should be of different colors, and the appearance of ball and paddle should be attractive. Paddle movement should be controlled from the keyboard. If game fails, provide options either to restart the game or quit the game. After winning, there should be a celebration pop up. I will put this prompt in the description for you to use. While we wait for response, I would like you to hit the subscribe button. 98% of viewers have not subscribed to the channel yet. Subscribing to the channel is absolutely free. Here we got response from ChatGPT. If you pay attention at response, you see that ChatGPT has provided you additional information about installing Pygame as I explained earlier. Now let's take a closer look at the code structure. The first section focuses on importing essential components, initializing Pygame, and defining the game window's dimensions and title. Following this, there is setup of a range of colors for the bricks, paddle, and ball, ensuring a vibrant and engaging visual experience. The subsequent part involves setting properties such as width, height, and speed for the paddle, radius and velocity for the ball, and size and spacing for the bricks, laying the foundation for the game's mechanics. With these parameters in place, functions are introduced to draw the various game elements on the screen, including bricks, the paddle, and the ball, ensuring they're displayed correctly during gameplay. Lastly, the main game loop is implemented to handle user input, update the game state, and manage collision detection, providing the interactive backbone of the game. Now let's just copy the code and create a Python file. Whether you have IDE installed on your machine or you are using an online IDE, create a Python file and save it with name that ChatGPT asks you to save with. Here you will save it with name breakout.py. After your Python file is saved, navigate to the same folder and type cmd in address bar. This will open command prompt. There type the following command, python breakout.py. As you will hit enter, voila! There is your fully functional game created by you. Now, if you find there is any glitch in the game logic or aesthetics, simply ask ChatGPT to make those changes, and you need to replace old code with newer one and repeat the same process. Besides it, If you want to make some customizations such as changing the graphics, adjusting the difficulty, or adding new features, you can always ask ChatGPT again to make these changes and rewrite code for you. And that's it. You've created your very own video game with the help of ChatGPT. There's so much more you can do, and create so many other such games like Tic-Tac-Toe, Chrome Dino, and Falling Tiles. If you face any difficulty at any level, comment down below and I will surely help you out. While this channel typically delves into the wonders of the universe and the marvels of scientific discoveries, today's journey has been a unique blend of science and technology, showcasing how AI can be harnessed to craft games on your own. My previous video that explained Three-Body Problem, which was crux of recent Netflix web series named Three-Body Problem, got a huge number of views. Check that out. I thank you for such love and appreciation. It keeps me motivated to make more such unique videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.